Oh, you got a Glock? Oh, you got a Glock too. He got a Glock too.
That's a peaceful gun.
Yeah, it's like a little pink gun.
Where's the Glock at?
Look at that. Hey, where's the Glock? The Glock.
Where was it found at?
Oh, that is so crazy, man.
Caliber. We got this little piece of it.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Isn't that insane?
You actually found a Glock.
I still haven't been able to see what model it is.
Yeah.
Because it's on this, I think it's on this side and it's all rusted out, but
Yeah.
let's see.
Oh my gosh, that is ridiculous, man.
Yeah, I'm still like in shock.
What the heck is that?
I'm afraid to open this.
Oh, I want to open it.
Well, hang on. They wanted this to sink, dude. They wanted that sunk. Look at, they got 2 railroad stakes tied to it.
I know. There's something in there that like it looks like bloody.
Yeah.
It's got blood in it.
Yeah. I'm not sure about this one, dude.